do a few different things in this video. I'm going to show you how to create a catalog, how to create smart previews, and then how to export and zip the catalogs and all that. So let's say that you are ready to edit sneak peeks. You saw that they're uploaded, so you're ready to create that catalog. So you would open up Lightroom, and it's most likely just going to open like the last thing that you were editing. So if you're creating a new catalog, you would just go to File, New Catalog, and I think it would make the most sense for you to name it the date of the wedding. Let's just say 12/14/2022, Sarah and Jack Sneaks. And then you will save this on your hard drive in this couples folder. So go ahead and create that, and it should open right back up. If it doesn't, that means that your Lightroom is just set up a little differently. So just reopen Lightroom if it doesn't pop up automatically. So you are now ready to import the raw sneak peek photos from the folder that you downloaded off of Backblaze. Go into import and find that folder. I'm just going to pick some random photos here for the sake of time. So you would select all of your sneak peek photos. You could just hit check all here. And then you want to make sure that up here this says add. We don't want any of these. We want add. And then we need to make sure that this is checked. So build smart previews. So go ahead and import here. And this is when you would do your editing, your prepping, all that stuff. So let's say that you are done. So your next two things would be either to send it off to EBA or to send it back to us. So if you're sending it off to EBA, then you would select all of the photos here and you would go to File, Export as Catalog. So this will pop up and we want just these smart previews sent over. So this is what needs to be checked down here. These do not need to be checked. And if you're sending it to EBA, then you would name it the event date dash our name, so Clayhouse Photography. So this would export the catalog, and from there you would zip it and upload it. If you're naming it for us, then we would have you do the date, the couple's name, and then final catalog. So let's just say that you're going this route. So you would make sure this is checked, name it depending on what you're doing with it, and then export catalog. So this should be pretty fast. And then you would go onto your hard drive here, and this is the one that we just did. So you would find that catalog folder and you would hit Control and you would compress it. So this is going to create a nice zip file here, and this is what you would be uploading to me for Backblaze, or this is also what you would be sending through the link on the login page for EBA. So either way, you're going to want to export that smart preview catalog and then turn it into a zip file to transfer it back over. Hopefully that made sense. This basically is just creating smaller versions of the photos to edit to save storage.